Now, what's Gemini all about? Well, this is Google's latest project in the world of large language models. The full form is Generalized Multimodal Intelligence Network, and it's basically this mega-powerful AI system that can handle multiple types of data and tasks all at once. We're talking text, images, audio, video, even 3D models and graphs. Gemini uses a brand new architecture that merges two main components, a multimodal encoder and a multimodal decoder. The encoder's job is to convert different types of data into a common language that the decoder can understand. Then, the decoder takes over, generating outputs in different modalities based on the encoded inputs and the task at hand. Say, for instance, the input is an image, and the task is to generate a caption. The encoder would turn the image into a vector that captures all its features and meaning, and the decoder would then generate a text output that describes the image. One thing Gemini can do is multimodal question answering. This is when you ask a question that involves multiple types of data, like text and images. For instance, you might ask, "Who is the author of this book?" while showing an image of a book cover. Or perhaps, "What is the name of this animal?" while showing an image of some creature. Gemini can answer these questions by combining its skills in understanding both text and visuals. Another cool thing it can do is multimodal summarization. Imagine you've got a piece of information that's made up of different types of data, like text and audio. For example, you might want to summarize a podcast episode or a news article by generating a short text summary or an audio summary. Gemini can do all that by putting together its skills in textual and auditory comprehension. A third thing is multimodal translation. This is when you need to translate a piece of information that involves multiple types of data, like text and video. Suppose you have a video lecture or a movie trailer that you need to generate subtitles for or dub in another language. Gemini can pull that off by combining its skills in textual and visual translation. And then there's multimodal generation. This is when you want to generate a piece of information that involves multiple types of data, like text and images. For example, you might want to generate an image based on a text description or a sketch, or maybe you want to generate a text based on an image or a video clip. Again, Gemini can do this by combining its skills in textual and visual generation. But to me, honestly, the most impressive thing that Gemini can perform is multimodal reasoning, which basically means it can combine information from different data types and tasks to make assumptions. For example, let's say you show it a clip from a movie. And using the multimodal reasoning, Gemini can now answer complex questions like, "What is the main theme of this movie?" by synthesizing information from multiple modalities. So, it allows Gemini to notice patterns that happen again and again, understand how characters interact with each other, and find hidden messages or meanings in a movie. By doing all of this, Gemini can give you a complete understanding of what the movie is really about and what its main idea or message is.